Stop spending hours staring at Google Maps and 50 open browser tabs. I'm going to show you how to plan your entire dream road trip with AI help. Hello, everyone. I'm Zola, and I'm so glad you're here. We are on a mission to make this AI era work for our wonderful baby boomers. Why do seniors love traveling? Listen, Google has millions of pages on finding yourself in retirement. I'm not going to waste your time reading them to you. We're here for the how, not the why. There are many ways to see the world. Cruising is the easy button of travel. You basically just throw money at a ship, get your body to the port, and the captain handles the rest. It's lovely, and I highly recommend it. I've been on those cruise ships more times than I can count. It's the ultimate way to feel like royalty while doing absolutely nothing. Have you heard about repositioning cruises? You know, sometimes the best travel tips come from the most unexpected encounters. I remember meeting a retired surgeon from Louisiana while I was in Lisbon, Portugal. She let me in on one of the industry's best-kept secrets, repositioning cruises. If you haven't heard of these, you're missing out. Essentially, they're one-way voyages where a ship moves from one seasonal region to another. Because the cruise lines are just trying to get the ship to its next home, these trips are logistical in nature, meaning you can snag them at significantly lower per-day rates than a standard cruise rate. If you're looking for a recommendation, definitely try a 14 days transatlantic crossing between Lisbon and New York. Whether you go in the spring or the fall, it's an incredible way to see the beautiful ocean islands and save some serious cash while doing it. But today, we're talking about the final boss of travel, the 10-plus day multi-stops road trip. Planning one of these is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube while riding a unicycle. Everything is connected. If you hit a traffic jam in Vegas, your campground reservation in Utah falls over like a domino, and suddenly you're sleeping in a Walmart parking lot. And don't even get me started on budgeting. Adding a budget to a road trip is like trying to do taxes while grocery shopping. It makes everything miserable. Recent days, I start to plan my upcoming 13 days road trip from Los Angeles, California to Detroit, Michigan. Last Monday, I was drowning in tabs, campgrounds, scenic routes, gas prices, sights to see. I was exhausted, cranky, and ready to just stay home. My son walked in, saw my 50 open browser tabs, and laughed. "Mom, why are you doing this the hard way? Use your digital brain." He's right. The digital brain, AI, is the ultimate travel companion. If you're planning a road trip, you've probably seen those specialized AI travel tools like My Scenic Drives or Mindtrip. Honestly, I tried them, spent hours learning the ropes, and ended up totally frustrated. I don't know if it's just me or if the free versions are limited, but I gave up on them. Instead, I went back to basics with Google AI, ChatGPT works too, and finally cracked the code to getting a perfect, detailed itinerary. Here is my simple, 3-step process to plan a massive cross-country trip. Step 1. Pick your path. I'm driving from LA to Detroit. I plugged it into Google Maps and saw 2 main options, the I-70 or the I-40. I chose the I-70 because I'm dying to see the national parks in Utah. Pro tip: if you can't decide, just ask the AI to list the pros and cons of each route based on the scenery or time of year. It makes the choice much easier. Step 2. Set your pace. I want to take it slow, 13 days total, driving less than 5 hours a day. I told the AI these rules and made sure to mention my must-sees Zion National Park and Moab. The AI built a solid baseline itinerary that matched exactly what I was looking for. This is the stage where you can swap cities or add a specific landmark. Once the skeleton looked good, I moved to the final boss, the details. Step 3. The deep dive. Knowing the start and end points isn't enough. I need to know exact driving times, how to get there, what to see along the main route, and even which gas stations have showers. To get this, I created a custom itinerary form and asked the AI to fill it out. I just copy and paste this template into the chat, and it gives me a turn-by-turn breakdown. Below are some road trip tips. 1. Essential vehicle preparation. Before leaving, ensure your car can handle the mileage. Mechanical checkup. Inspect tire tread, pressure, oil levels, brakes, and all vital fluids. Transmission, coolant, wiper fluid. Wiper blades. Replace old blades. Visibility is critical during unexpected rain or wind. Emergency kit. Pack jumper cables, a spare tire, checked for air, a flashlight with extra batteries, a first aid kit, and a basic tool set. Spare key. Keep a backup key in a hidden container on the car or with a travel partner to avoid being locked out. 2. Smart planning and navigation. Offline maps. Download your route on Google Maps for offline use and carry a physical paper map as a backup for areas with no cell service. The 3-3-3 rule. For a relaxed pace, drive no more than 300 miles, arrive by 3 p.m., and stay at your destination for 3 days. Fuel strategy. Start looking for a gas station once your tank hits 1/4 full to avoid being stranded in remote stretches. Book anchors. Use TripAdvisor or Allstays to book anchor accommodations in advance, but leave gaps for spontaneous roadside attractions. 3. On the road, comfort and safety driver. Alertness. Stop to stretch every 2 hours or 100 miles. Use simple car exercises like ankle pumps and chin tucks to ease aches. Eat local. Avoid chains. Check diners, drive-ins, and dives for unique regional food along your route. Snack strategy. Pack a cooler with healthy snacks like nuts, fruits, and carrots to maintain energy without the sugar crash from fast food. Stay clean. Keep a small trash bag within easy reach to prevent a car dumpster situation. 4. Packing and entertainment. The 3-bag system. Use a large bag for the car, a small overnight bag for quick hotel stops, and a day bag for excursions. Audio variety. Download a mix of music, podcasts, and audiobooks. Use Libby for free library titles before the trip. Carry cash. Small bills and coins are essential for unexpected tolls, parking meters, or local produce stands. All right, class, just about dismissed. What is the starting point and destination for your next trip so I can suggest specific scenic routes or parks? See you on the road. Before I head out, I'll leave you with a music track and quiz so you can stretch your legs and grab a cup of coffee.